Hello friends, this is Sai Pranindra from SQL School. This is about our weekly new schedules to upskill yourself from the scratch. This is Sai Pranindra with more than 18 years of technical expertise, completely dedicated to Microsoft technologies. We have been with various MNCs across the globe, providing complete practice oriented classes on the technologies you see on the screen. Fabric is a new item in the list. Apart from Fabric, yes, all other courses we have good, sound, consistent, solid grip on the technical aspects and the step by step learning examples. Number seven is a new item from Microsoft, few months old technology still budding with new features every week. All our classes at our school are completely practice oriented, completely practical and real time with good amount of hands on. And what are the schedules for this coming week? Before that, popular combo courses for consistent and long term job benefits. You may opt for SQL Server, Transact SQL, TSQL, Microsoft brand of SQL called TSQL, queries with Power BI. You may opt for SQL with Data Engineer or Power BI with Data Engineer, mainly for experienced profiles. You may do either Power BI with engineering if you are looking for big data and analytics side, or in future you plan to proceed for data science, or in case if you are looking for more into back-end management activities, then data engineer with SQL DBA. These are the four much demanded job combinations for our beautiful resume. At SQL School, we have been into live online and self-paced video courses. You may opt for anyone, and you can contact me directly on this number 90300400801 or 90300400801, or you may contact our team 24/7 on 9666440801. Now coming to the actual schedules for the upcoming weeks. Yes, let me head on to our website, and here are the schedules. SQL Server T-SQL, we have two morning batches India time, three evening batches US India time, three evening batches. US and Canada participants, it is the opposite as you know. Here I say morning, it will be your previous day evening. And evening batch India time, it is same date for you as well, but morning time. Say 12 hours back, right? 12 hours back. So you may plan your schedules accordingly as per your comfortable date to start our classes. Power BI, four schedules. Data engineer, two schedules. SQL DBA, two. SQL DB is also doing very good in the market right now. Power BI, data engineer, SQL DB are doing very good, and SQL is a base. Python analytics, it's not Python programming, it's completely analytics for data analysis, data scientists, business analysts, for those kind of job profiles. Azure SQL DBA, For working SQL, DBS, we have this item. And Fabric, I said one of the box. Number 7, the new item from Microsoft, a new technology. Fabric is basically a BI, business intelligence, BI component integrating data engineering and Power BI together. It would surely do great in the market coming soon. It's still in a good amount of regression testing, and we could experience good amount of user interface modifications and improvisations. I don't want to say changes, but improvisations from Microsoft for Fabric Studio and Fabric Portal, etc. So you may plan for Fabric once you are fine with data engineering and Power BI, in case if you are planning for. With this information, we assure you complete practice orientation from scratch. Very basics will start from scratch on a friendly note. Every day you have assignments. Every day you'll be having printable documents. In fact, we provide notes in advance, something like this. We provide all documents in advance. Once you register for the course, you get all chapter wise documents at once. You take prints, get those print copies ready for the actual class, for understanding the theory part for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you keep the print copy aside and straight concentrate on the screen for the actual practice classes. I repeat, every day we have Word documents and practice notes. For example, chapter 5. For example, chapter 5, we have a Word document. What are schemas and what are temporary tables? What is what? You take a print. Just get it ready for your class. We'll talk about the theory part for about 5-10 minutes. Then comes actual practice. You get this script into your email. You open the script using the tool we provide you and run the script and practice it. Scripts you need not take any print. But the theory part, you need to take a print for first initial 5-10 minutes of every class to understand what is what we are doing, what we need to do next, and also to understand the actual outcome of that particular class, what we did previously, what we are doing today, and why, and what will be the actual status of our understanding by end of the class. Let's make it clear straight in what we learn from scratch step by step. And attendees who are learning more, attendees who are submitting the FAQs, frequently asked questions for every class, mostly outside the notes, answers within the notes. Every day you have assignments for every course, questions outside the notes, majority, all answers within the notes, so that we understand where exactly we are, how we are understanding the concept. We can't expect definitions in the interviews, right? Isn't it? It's mostly practical scenarios. So we'll be understanding those practice orientation in our classes. And the point here, participants who respond more, participants who submit the assignments more frequently on time, or once every 2 days you submit the previous day assignment and today's assignment, something like that. Attendees are asking good number of questions, good questions, helping others to learn, will be measured, will be awarded with additional assignments, additional mock mock tests, additional reference documents, common errors and solutions. Simple. You love the subject, we need to love you, we have to love you, and we love you. Simple. Please understand my concern. We love the subject, we get more than what we need. At our SQL school, we have been here for more than 18 years. So, fine, pretty fine, with good amount of, I don't want to say great, but no, good amount of technical touch on the job market. And seeing the JD, we should be able to come to a conclusion what kind of questions would be asked in the interviews. Yes, JD, the job description will decide the interview questions. So we need to go there slowly, step by step. Need your support. Need your support in terms of on time submission of assignments, on time practice, these two key factors to enjoy more extras in every class, every course. I promise you on that. Thank you so much for listening to me. My pleasure talking to you all. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. For free demo session or for any kind of clarifications, you can reach me directly or our team. Thank you once again. No compromise in our learning process. Let's do it slowly, step by step. Let's work together for long term benefits. Thank you once again. See you soon in our actual classes. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.